is good. Mariam Musa, you did a good one on this one. What is this? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Dev. We're gonna be doing the Mariam Musa collection. I actually have such high hopes for this collection. When I was choosing the outfits, like most of it was sold out. Some of them I was a bit like, oh, would it suit me? So the video that she put out with, I saw it first. Imagine having like all your girls there with you. That is it, like you've just won. Like you've won. I would do that. That's something I would want to do. Like my girls just come with me. I've got my first collection, working with like a big fashion brand. Like, oh my goodness, like that is it. She's a black influencer, like we love that. We love that. So let's get into this video and see what her collection's about, because I do have high hopes for this.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so the first thing that I ordered was this mint green jersey puff sleeve bodycon dress. Okay. I do like the colour. I don't actually wear green often. Green isn't actually a colour like I wear, but if I was to wear green, it would actually be this colour, like this like minty colour. So I actually really do like this. I like the sleeves as well, and how it's gonna be puffy. Like I like that. But whether it's gonna suit me, like we don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off. Like I don't know if I'll be able to pull this off, like I'm serious. I really do like the colour. I love the detail as well. Like a zebra print type of thing. Like this looks really cute, and I actually did see it on her. I got this in a size 12. And let's just see how this is actually gonna look. I actually don't know. I don't really wear dresses like this. I have no idea how this is gonna look on me. Let's just have a look. Okay, so this is the dress. I actually really do like it. I don't know if I should wear a bra with it or not, but it actually looks really nice. It like just hugs your waist. I love these sleeves. The sleeves look so cute. But I wouldn't usually wear this. This is not something I would wear. Like I'm not this girly. But this is actually really cute. I like the length as well. Like it's such a good length. You bend down, like it's not gonna like show anything, but it's not too long as well. But this is really cute. I really do like this. This dress makes me want to go out. I want to look elegant and cute and sophisticated. I don't know if it suits me or not. Like I can't really tell, but it does look cute on. So the next thing that I bought was this blue shorts. So these are the shorts. They actually look really cute. I actually really do like these. I had to get a size up because it ran out in my size, but this actually is actually like the right size. Like I actually really like this, and it's like this nice like material as well, and it's actually like really thick, so the quality is just so good. This comes with like a belt, so this like really chunky belt. It would actually look so nice with these shorts. And then obviously the shorts have matched a top, so I got that one as well. So they match this top. I love this detail right here. Like this looks really nice. This looks really nice. I actually do like this. I love the colour as well. Like you don't really catch me wearing colours. You catch me wearing black or blue. Like right now I've got a red top. Like, this is odd. This is different. I love a cord. But yeah, anyway, so let's go try them two on and just see how they look. This is the blue. It's kind of like a bluish greenish, but it's a blue. The shorts and the top with the belt. This actually looks so cute. This is that holiday vibes. I can't lie, I'm glad that I actually got a size up, because these are already so tight. I just love how it's a nice coat. Like this is just holiday vibes as well. Even though this seems like quite tight, like it's actually really comfortable on. So that is good. Mariam Musa, you did a good one on this one too. I love how it has pockets, so it's just like chilled vibes. So the next item I got was a white corset top. So it looks like this. Oh, I love a square neck. Like square necks, yeah, just make you look so much better. Like it has like a little V shape as well. Really good material. Oh, and it zips up at the back as well. And it just looks really good. Like it's actually nice thick material. So like we can actually just try that on and see how it's gonna look. So I had this white denim top with these shorts. This is really cute on. If this was a bodysuit, this would look so good as well. This square neck is just... I feel like I'm loving everything that she's put out. Like, this is just so nice. The next items are another cord. These, so it's stone knitted, ribbed shirt or shorts. So these are the... What is this? I don't see shorts like this. I hope this looks different on. I mean, I can't lie, it can stretch. It feels really nice and soft. Hope this actually looks really nice on because, like, I just don't know. But I hope this works out nice. I just want to enjoy her whole collection. I do like the little details here. This is really cute. I like her. I don't know. We're gonna have to. We can't judge until we try it on. How can we judge until we try it on? Like, if we just can't judge. But this, I don't know. It just, you know what it is? It just looks so tiny. Like, this looks like it would be for like a baby. Like, if you just fold it in, like, this is like a whole baby suit. Like, I don't know. But anyway, let's try this on with the shirt. Let's actually find the shirt. Like, so this one is the knitted ribbed shirt. Everything just seems very long on this. Like, the arms are very, very long and very, very thin. I do like the, obviously, how it's ribbed and it matches the shorts. It's got buttons as well and it has a little collar. This one, again, I'm like slightly unsure about. Like, I just don't know. Like, this one and the shorts, I just have no idea how. I did not expect the shorts to come like this. So that's why I'm a bit confused. Like, can't judge. We need to just try it on and just see how it actually is gonna look. Like, so let's just try them on. Fingers crossed. We have high hopes for her collection. So let's literally just try this on. I need to check how they wear it. I'm actually wearing this wrong. I actually need to check how she wears this. I'm definitely wearing this wrong because honestly, like, she can't just go from 100 to 0 real quick. Okay, I'm definitely wearing this wrong. Looks totally different from what I've got on. Like, what is this? If you want to do this all the way up, this does not look right. They should have actually got rid of all these buttons because that does not look right. But this is how it's meant to look. This is how it's meant to look, which actually looks so much better with the shorts on as well. So let's actually try and do it like this because I don't know what I'm wearing right now. I don't understand what I'm wearing. Like, this just don't look right. So let's just try and make it look like this. So this looks so much better on. Boy, this just looks so much better. Like, nah, I actually do like this one. Obviously, this ain't something I would actually wear out. You'd probably be like in the house. Or like, I don't know, somewhere like just comfortable. Now that you see it on her and the way that I tried it on, like, it just did make sense. This just looks so much better on. Like, I can actually see where she was going with this one. I liked how there's elastic here as well. And I can understand why she went for the length now. Like, before I was thinking like, it's just a bit too long. Like, everything is just long. The arms were long. Like, this is long. Like, it just didn't make sense. But... oh, I didn't even see this part. This looks really cute. It's not something I'd actually probably wear, but like, you know, I actually do rate it. So this is cute. This little collar that it came with, like, it just makes it, like, I feel like the little bit of detail that just adds to it. So I think this is it as well. And then this collar. So before I was judging it a bit too much, but now I can see where she was going with it. Like, I can actually see. These shorts were looking like baby shorts, but now they just look so much better. Like, I think it's just meant to be like really tight fit. This is the black mini dress. So it looks like this. And it comes with these straps. So you can like hook it up and then just show less. Or you can literally just have it like this. So it's whatever you want. If you want to be a bit of a sexy girl, then literally just have it fully out. These are the straps. I'm just guessing like you must tie these up and then maybe like do like a little bow or something. I love the little detail here as well. this is really cute. I really do like this. I have high hopes for this. I know this is gonna look good. Mariam did a madness with this one. This one I rate the most. This one I actually do. I've not even tried it on and I rate it. I'm saying all this, but it better look good on me. But yeah, so let's try this one on and just see if it's gonna look cute on me. Okay, so this dress is just me. This dress just make you look slim. This dress is just so nice. Like, this makes me want to go on a date. Like, so this dress already is a nice tight fit, and the detail, like this dress is just something else. Like Mariam did a madness with this one. Obviously I just did 3 buttons up. I don't know if you can tell, but it's 3 buttons up because otherwise there was just too much going on here with here. You can have it all the way down if that's what you prefer. You do like how much is showing right now, like it's reasonable. Did a little bow up here as well, and I love how it just like hangs down as well, just to add detail. But this looks so nice. Like Mariam did a madness with this one. I just want to go out now. Like I just really need to get out. I need to go out. I need to put my heels on. I need to like have my little bag, have my earrings in, my necklace. Like boy, like this is making me feel like a bad bitch. Such a good length as well. So like, obviously if you bend down again, like, you know, no one's gonna see nothing. This is a good dress as well. Like if you're actually going out and then you have to like run back home, people are home, so you don't want them to see you like this, you can literally just quickly like just put it up and make yourself look like you went out looking presentable. So this is more like a day thing, like just day, or even like if you just don't want to show too much, like you can just wear it like this as well. This dress is just saying something else. Like this dress is just so nice. So that is the end of the haul / lookbook. Her collection was literally just bomb. Like her collection was literally so nice. Obviously there were some clothes that I was a bit like, I'm not too sure about, but after like, I can't lie, they did a really good job with this. So obviously Mariam Musa X, I saw it first. So I hope you guys like this video and make sure you subscribe as well. And thank you for watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich.